Welcome to MindHaven. This is your guided meditation for stress and anxiety relief, designed to help you calm your mind, release tension, and reconnect with peace. If you have been feeling anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed by the noise of everyday life, this is your moment. A moment just for you to breathe, to soften, to find peace. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best. Let your hands rest gently, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. Again, a long, slow breath in and a full breath out. Feel your body begin to soften with each breath. Now, bring your attention to the feeling of your body against the surface beneath you. Feel the support beneath your back, your legs, and your feet. Let yourself settle. You don't need to do anything, just be here. Take one more deep breath. Inhale calm and exhale tension. Now return to a gentle, natural rhythm of breathing. Let your breath become your anchor in this moment, flowing in and out. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Just notice it and gently bring your focus back to the breath. Now, we will slowly move through your body, releasing stress and tension. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light beginning to flow over you, like sunshine. Let that light melt down to your forehead. Release any tightness. Let your eyebrows soften. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let everything fall away. Now, feel this calming light flow down your neck and into your shoulders. With every breath, feel your shoulders drop, releasing the weight you have been carrying. Let it move down your arms, to your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Your arms are heavy and relaxed. And now, bring your awareness to your chest. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Let the light flow into your heart space, soothing healing, softening. Now to your stomach. Let go of any knots, any holding. You are safe. You can let go now. Feel the light flow through your hips, your thighs, down your legs, to your ankles and feet. Your entire body is now relaxed, calm, held in a space of peace. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine you're standing by a peaceful, flowing river. The sky is soft above you, and the water is clear and gentle. You are barefoot on warm earth. The sun touches your skin. And this river is here to help you release. It asks nothing of you, just that you let go. Now, imagine placing your stress into the water. Whatever's been weighing you down, thoughts, feelings, fears, place them in the current. One by one, and let them float away. Watch as the water gently carries them downstream. Feel the lightness in your chest, the softening in your mind. This is your moment of peace. This is where calm lives. You don't have to fix anything. You just have to be here. Breathe in peace. Breathe out and release. Now we rest in stillness. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this breath and this moment. Let go of all effort. Let silence wash over you. If thoughts come, let them pass like clouds in the sky. Acknowledge them and return to the breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel the calm ripple through your body. Feel your nervous system settle. You are present. You are grounded. You are whole. Now, gently repeat these affirmations, either aloud or in your mind. I am calm. I am safe. I release what no longer serves me. I allow peace to flow through me. I am exactly where I need to be. Feel these words as truth. Let them settle into your heart. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the space around you again. Bring your awareness back. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you for taking this time to care for yourself today. Remember, you're doing your best, you're not alone, and you deserve this calm. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.